What's not working anymore?
Good. The world will never know. Why does it sound like that?
Look at you in your little jacket. I wonder if it has sounds. I've never played with this before.
Hang on. Maybe fun.
Why are you getting out of the frame?
Stop it!
It goes down.
I can't escape. That's ugly. What is wrong with this cord?
Why was it sound all distorted?
Because it's not tight.
Like me. Because I'm all tight. Like a gangster.
So it's like whale call.
Like on Finding Nemo.
Okay.
Nice.
That's amazing. Sounds like lightsabers.
Just like have like a war. Like, what is she doing?
Why are you making a phone of me?
Play.
Play what?
Anything.
It's all messed up, like. Hi, I'm feeling good.
I'm gonna change the colors. Make it look like old film. Oh, look at you, an old film now. Okay,
It's not working anymore.
why is it red? Oh, it blinks red every
I feel like
second.
a fish. I'm a mermaid.
Why are you pulling a fish? It's like the random.
Here,
Wait,
look at better looking.
that's supposed to be slim. You're supposed to look slender.
It's not working out.
Your eyes still look the same. Yo, let's play with this. What is that? Oh,
Your
it's a
computer.
computer. Why is it
The
reflecting?
Exorcist.
Okay, blurry guy.
Doesn't like your computer. It got angry at you. Actually, it sounds really cool. Let's see what I
I like the. Hey, that's a song, right?
What?
That what you just played? Why does it sound like that?
I have no idea.
I don't like it. I'm gonna get some tea.
Pea?
Tea.
Tea? From pea?
I'm gonna look on Kitty so I can get some tea. It sounds like there's like 20 of them.
20 guitars?